If you want to connect OpenAI to Cursor AI so you can start using your API key inside the editor, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the full process step by step in a simple way so you can set it up quickly without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to go to the OpenAI platform. Open your browser and sign in to your OpenAI account. If you're not already signed in, enter your details and complete the login process. Once you're inside the platform, look for your API key section and copy your OpenAI API key carefully. Make sure you copy the full key exactly as shown, because even one missing character can prevent Cursor from connecting properly. Now that you have the key copied, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where Cursor keeps all of its configuration options, including model and API key settings. After clicking the gear icon, open Cursor settings. Inside the settings panel, click on models. This section controls which AI providers and models Cursor can use. Next, scroll down until you find the API key section. Click on it to expand the available options. Here, you should see OpenAI API key listed. Find that option and enable it. Once it's turned on, you'll see a field where you can paste your OpenAI API key. Go back to the key you copied from the OpenAI platform and paste it directly into the field. Cursor will save it automatically, so you don't need to click a separate save button. After that, your OpenAI API key should be connected and ready to use inside Cursor AI. If everything was entered correctly, Cursor will now be able to access OpenAI models through your key, and you can continue building, coding, and testing with the tools you need. That's it. You've now added your OpenAI API key in Cursor AI. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.